My topic is industrial marketing in detail explained, and let's go to the topic and let's go to the start. Industrial marketing refers to the process of promoting and selling products and services to businesses, government organizations, and other industry-specific customers. It differs from consumer marketing in that the target audience is not individuals but rather organizations that require products and services for their own operational use or to resell to their own customers. In industrial marketing, the focus is on building relationships with customers and meeting their specific needs. This requires a deep understanding of the industry, including its trends, challenges, and competitive landscape. Industrial marketers must develop tailored marketing strategies that are both effective and efficient in reaching their target audience. Some common tactics used in industrial marketing include trade shows, targeted advertising, direct mail, and digital marketing strategies such as social media and email marketing. Building strong relationships with customers and providing excellent customer service is also essential for success in industrial marketing. Overall, industrial marketing is a complex and challenging field that requires a unique set of skills and expertise. It is essential for businesses that operate in the B2B environment to have a solid understanding of industrial marketing principles in order to succeed in the industry. Many different marketing types are dependent on the platforms you use and the campaigns you invest in, but they are generally categorized under B2C, business to consumer, marketing, or B2B, business to business, marketing. In its simplest format, industrial marketing is B2B, business-to-business marketing, and promotes goods and services from one business to another. Today, industrial marketing is generally done with online tactics and involves many complex components. Data shows that industrial buyers are typically 70% of the way through their purchase decision process before reaching out to a supplier. That's because today's B2B buyers are mostly millennials who are digital natives and do all their online research anonymously online first. Industrial marketing begins with research into these target audiences and prospects to understand how to meet their needs, what types of content, and where. Industrial marketing, or business-to-business marketing, is the marketing of goods and services by one business to another. Industrial goods are those an industry uses to produce an end product from one or more raw material. The term, industrial marketing, has largely been replaced by the term B2B marketing, i.e. business-to-business marketing. Industrial marketing can cross the border into consumer marketing. For example, an electronic component seller may distribute its products through industrial marketing channels, C-channel marketing, but also support consumer sales. Many products are equally desired by business and consumers, such as audio products, furniture, paint, hardware, etc. Nonetheless, manufacturers and service providers frequently maintain separate industrial and consumer marketing operations to reflect the different needs of the two channels. Decision-making processes. The decision-making processes in industrial marketing are more complex, involve multiple stakeholders, and rely heavily on rational factors such as cost-effectiveness, quality, and reliability. For instance, a purchasing agent for a manufacturing company will seek suppliers that can meet their production requirements, provide technical support, and ensure timely delivery. Relationship building. Industrial marketing emphasizes the importance of creating and maintaining long-term relationships with customers. This means engaging in regular communication, providing value-added services, and addressing customer needs and concerns promptly. Technical expertise. In many cases, industrial marketers need to have a deep understanding of the technical aspects of their products and services in order to communicate their benefits effectively. For example, a supplier of industrial equipment needs to have a thorough knowledge of the equipment specifications, performance characteristics, and maintenance requirements to convince potential customers of its value. Customization. Industrial customers often have unique requirements that demand customized solutions. This requires industrial marketers to have the ability to tailor their products and services to meet specific customer needs. Distribution channels. Industrial marketing often involves working with complex distribution channels that may involve multiple intermediaries. For instance, a manufacturer of industrial chemicals might need to work with distributors, wholesalers, and retailers to reach its end customers. Overall, industrial marketing requires a strategic approach that takes into account the unique characteristics and needs of the target industry. By focusing on building lasting relationships, providing tailored solutions, and leveraging technology, industrial marketers can effectively promote their products and services to B2B customers. Industrial marketing often involves competitive tendering. This is a process where a purchasing organization undertakes to procure goods and services from suitable suppliers. Due to the high value of some purchases, for example buying a new computer system, manufacturing machinery, or outsourcing a maintenance contract, and the complexity of such purchases, the purchasing organization will seek to obtain a number of bids from competing suppliers and choose the best offering. An entire profession, strategic procurement, that includes tertiary training and qualifications has been built around the process of making important purchases. The business case for the purchase has been completed and approved. The purchasing organization's objectives for the purchase are clearly defined. The procurement process is agreed upon and it conforms with fiscal guidelines and organizational policies. The selection criteria have been established. A budget has been estimated and the financial resources are available. A buying team, or committee, has been assembled. A specification has been written. A preliminary scan of the marketplace has determined that enough potential suppliers are available to make the process viable. This can sometimes be achieved using an expression of interest process. It has been clearly established that a competitive tendering process is the best method for meeting the objectives of this purchasing project. If, for example, it was known that there was only one organization capable of supplying, best to get on with talking to them and negotiating a contract. Because of the significant value of many purchases, issues of probity arise. Organizations seek to ensure that awarding a contract is based on best fit to the agreed criteria, and not bribery, corruption, or incompetence. Purchasing behavior. B2B customers tend to make larger purchases less frequently than consumers, and these purchases are often driven by specific business needs such as replacing equipment, increasing efficiency, or expanding operations. As a result, industrial marketers need to understand the factors that drive B2B purchasing behavior, such as the need for ROI justification and risk mitigation. Marketing channels. Industrial marketing often relies on a variety of marketing channels, including trade shows, industry publications, direct mail, and online resources. However, the most effective marketing channels may vary depending on the target industry and specific customer needs. Complexity of products and services. Industrial products and services are often more complex than consumer items, and therefore may require more detailed explanation and technical support. For example, a company that provides industrial automation solutions may need to demonstrate how their products integrate with existing manufacturing processes and provide training and ongoing support. Longer sales cycles. B2B sales cycles tend to be longer than consumer sales cycles, due to the complexity of the purchasing process and the need to involve multiple stakeholders. This requires industrial marketers to be patient and persistent in building relationships and providing ongoing support and communication. Emphasis on value. Industrial customers are often highly focused on achieving the best value for their investment, and therefore need to be convinced of the long-term benefits of a particular product or service. Industrial marketers must be able to clearly articulate the ROI and value proposition of their offerings in order to win the business of B2B customers. Industrial marketing is a business-to-business marketing practice that is used for promoting the goods and services of one business or enterprise to another. It is generally used amongst producers, suppliers, OEMs, buyers, etc. A wide range of strategies are used in industrial marketing like using informational websites with language directed at other enterprises, making customized presentations to the management staff of potential clients, designing product samples to demonstrate confidence in the quality of the product, making online videos displaying products, service providers and sales staff, etc. Industrial marketing is defined as a marketing plan that one business utilizes to sell industrial products or services to another business for generating leads and optimizing B2B conversions. Industrial marketing revolves around industrial manufacturers, suppliers, and buyers, plus its channelization is associated with large orders and long-term relationships, as the sales process in industrial marketing may take months or even years. It is a much more complex form of marketing due to its specialized industrial products. An industrial product or service helps in the production of the end product from the raw materials. Establishing long-term relationships between the producer and customers is a prerequisite for an industrial marketing program. Customization and personalization. Industrial customers often have unique needs and require customized solutions. Industrial marketers need to be able to provide personalized recommendations and tailored solutions to meet these needs. Relationship building. B2B transactions are often based on long-term relationships and trust between the buyer and seller. Industrial marketers need to invest time and effort into building and maintaining these relationships. Focus on outcomes. Industrial customers typically focus on outcomes rather than features or attributes. Industrial marketers need to be able to demonstrate how their products and services will help the customer achieve their desired outcomes. Technical expertise. Industrial marketing often requires a high level of technical expertise and knowledge. Marketers must be able to speak the language of their customers and understand the technical details of the products and services they are selling. Industry regulations and compliance. Many industries have strict regulations and compliance requirements that must be met by suppliers. Industrial marketers need to be aware of these requirements and ensure that their products and services meet all necessary regulations and standards. Industrial marketing is of no use to a company that targets its products at individual customers. A company that makes large-scale manufacturing machinery, however, can use industrial marketing. For instance, many companies involved in making the large-scale manufacturing machinery would never sell their products to an individual customer, and hence, they should use industrial marketing activities to promote those types of equipment to other companies that might have the resource and need to use them. So, a mass-market OEM would purchase such sorts of machinery to create 1,000 units of the same equipment each year. In the same way, furniture manufacturers might use industrial marketing practices with an ultimate goal to promote their business products to different businesses that need furniture for their business offices. Supply chain knowledge. Industrial marketers must have a deep understanding of the supply chain and logistics involved in the delivery of their products and services. This knowledge can help them identify potential challenges and opportunities for improvement. Competitive landscape. Industrial marketers need to be aware of their competitors and their strengths and weaknesses. This knowledge can help them differentiate their products and services and better position themselves in the market. Global markets. Industrial marketing often involves global markets and requires an understanding of cultural differences, import/export regulations, and language barriers. Strategic planning. Industrial marketing requires strategic planning to identify market opportunities, target customers, and develop effective marketing strategies. ROI measurement. Industrial marketers must be able to measure the return on investment, ROI, of their marketing efforts to ensure that they are delivering value to the organization. This requires the use of metrics and analytics to track and measure the success of marketing campaigns. Digital marketing. Industrial marketers must be familiar with digital marketing strategies such as search engine optimization, SEO, pay-per-click advertising, PPC, content marketing, email marketing, and social media marketing to effectively reach their target audience. Product development. Industrial marketers may work closely with product development teams to identify customer needs and develop new products and services that meet those needs. Sales enablement. Industrial marketers may be responsible for creating sales enablement content such as sales presentations, training materials, and product collateral to help sales teams effectively sell products and services. Customer service. Industrial marketers may work closely with customer service teams to ensure that customer feedback and concerns are addressed and incorporated into marketing strategies. Ethics and compliance. Industrial marketers must adhere to ethical and legal standards when promoting products and services, and must be familiar with industry-specific regulations and compliance requirements. Industrial marketing is to market a good or service to another company within an industrial market, which is in contrast to consumer marketing that aims to market to consumers. Defining marketing by the type of market was established decades ago and is still a valid and important concept. Modern industrial marketing is called business-to-business or B2B marketing. B2B marketing strategies put the customer first and are of utmost strategic relevance for the whole company. The nature of an industrial good has distinct differences from a consumer good. This article addresses these differences and outlines why industrial marketing is the prequel of modern business-to-business marketing. Market research. Industrial marketers must conduct thorough market research to understand their target audience, competitors, industry trends, and customer needs. Brand management. Industrial marketers play a critical role in developing and managing the brand image and messaging, ensuring consistent messaging across all marketing channels. Event planning. Industrial marketers may organize and manage trade show events, industry conferences, and other events to promote products and services and generate leads. Reporting and analytics. Industrial marketers must track and analyze marketing performance data to identify areas for improvement and refine their strategies for better results. Budgeting and financial management. Industrial marketers must effectively manage marketing budgets and resources, ensuring that spending aligns with business goals and objectives. Content development. Industrial marketers often create various forms of content such as blog posts, white papers, case studies, and videos to educate and engage their audience. Search engine optimization, SEO. Industrial marketers must optimize their online presence to rank high in search engine results pages, SERPs, improving visibility and driving traffic to their website. Email marketing. Industrial marketers may use email marketing to keep in touch with prospects and customers, sending newsletters, product updates, and promotional offers. Social media marketing. Industrial marketers must develop and execute social media strategies to promote their brand, engage with their audience, and build relationships. Sales enablement. Industrial marketers often work closely with sales teams to provide them with the necessary tools, content, and support to effectively sell products and services. Customer relationship management, CRM. Industrial marketers may manage and maintain a database of customer information to personalize marketing efforts, track customer interactions, and improvise customer retention strategies. Public relations. Industrial marketers may oversee public relations efforts such as press releases, media relations, and crisis management to protect their brand's reputation. Product development. Industrial marketers may collaborate with product development teams to ensure that products are designed and positioned in a way that resonates with the target audience. Channel marketing. Industrial marketers may work closely with channel partners such as distributors and resellers to promote their products and services and achieve wider market reach. Digital marketing. Industrial marketers must keep up with the latest digital marketing trends and technologies and implement them effectively in their marketing strategies to stay ahead of the competition. Event marketing. Industrial marketers may plan and execute events such as trade shows, conferences, and webinars to showcase their products and services, generate leads, and build relationships. Account-based marketing. Industrial marketers may focus on individual accounts or key prospects and. Thank you for watching the video and subscribe the channel.